During our stay, our IRP Nagaland Police drone stay there in Chhattisgarh. Etiado street te kota pai khana bhi ne dekhe. Farmers can arambra edu kheti bo puri bo para. Ile pandur bhi khodam, kota bhi khodam. To ye UP, sir, UP Chief Minister Yogi, he is requesting us to send IR force. Paikhan itu kota Paikhana para terabun ware. Just to finish that kota Paikhana kumdi hobole aming lugode request kore ase. Now, Assam Chief Minister, if you are interested, we can send 2-3 Nagaland police trucks to bring dogs from Guwahati. Serious request kore ase sir dai. Morambra edo anangando na khai. Ami certificate dibo. Edo koda kan 3-4 truck do le jabina. Man request aya ase.